Einen wunderschönen guten Tag. Ja, ihr seht, es ist ein bisschen ein anderes Video heute. Ich bin nicht in der Küche, ich bin nicht alleine, wir sind nicht zu Hause. Eine wunderschöne Frau sitzt neben mir.
Hi, Camilla. Und wir sind hier heute auf der IFA 2019 und wir machen was richtig Cooles. Wir kochen nämlich für Samsung in der Future Kitchen.
Und die Future Kitchen, die werden wir euch jetzt mal zeigen. Wir zeigen euch ein bisschen was vom Stand. Danach gibt es noch ein kleines Video. Aber jetzt gehen wir erstmal rüber zur Küche.
Yeah.
Der Stand ist wirklich riesengroß hier und also richtig schön clean gemacht. Das gefällt mir sehr, sehr gut hier alles. Guckt mal hier, eine riesen Treppe, eine riesen Tribüne. Wahnsinn.
Jetzt sind wir hier in unserer Küche und wir wollen euch unseren neuen Freund vorstellen.
Das ist der Cutting Edge Roboter von Samsung in der Future Kitchen. Und hier kochen wir gleich und ich sag, hallo Botchef. Er bewegt sich.
Hi everyone.
Hello. Und mit dem coolen Ding kochen wir und die Kochshow kommt jetzt. Wir würden uns freuen, wenn ihr uns ein Like da lasst und wenn ihr noch nicht abonniert habt, dann macht das jetzt, bevor es hier losgeht mit der Kochshow. Vielen Dank und viel Spaß mit der Kochshow hier bei Samsung. Welcome to the Botchef cooking show here in the Future Kitchen of Samsung. We will have a fun time. We will have a special time with the cutting edge robots of Samsung, and this will be the first collaboration between humans and robots. So my name is Jens and this is...
Hello everyone, my name is Mirja and we are so excited to welcome you here at the IFA 2019. Well, Samsung has been a leading innovator for home appliances
Yes.
for 50 years now.
Yeah.
If you look around you here, you will notice that we're surrounded by some pretty advanced kitchen technology. So today we are going to add one more piece to that big picture, because when it comes to meal prep, nothing beats an extra pair of hands, right?
Yeah.
So please let me introduce you to Botchef, Samsung's AI-powered collaborative robot arm that is designed to help you in the kitchen.
I would say, let's start.
Hi chef, what are we making today?
As you can see, I'm on a health kick lately, so I would say, let's make a salad.
Okay, which one would you like to make?
Yeah, I would say we make a sesame tofu salad.
Yes.
Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, I'll heat up the stove. Can you pass me the tofu?
Yeah, of course. Mia, can you please put the tofu out of the family hub from Samsung and bring it to the Botchef,
No problem.
please?
Oh, you
Thank-
said please.
Yes, former times I forgot the word please.
Next you add the cabbage while I cube the tofu.
Before I add the cabbage, I would say some words regarding Botchef. Botchef is designed to work alongside you, but safety is a top priority. For example, when my hand comes closer to Botchef, to a sharp knife, you can hear a beep. He reduced the speed or stop completely.
Yes, he's keeping you safe.
It's keeping me safe and it keeps my fingers safe. So now I will cut the cabbage.
And don't forget to add it.
Sorry, yes.
Don't forget it.
Now I have to add it in the bowl. Okay, and now I have to say this or
I
tell
finished
Botchef.
cubing the tofu.
Yes.
After you added the cabbage, please put the tofu in the pan.
Yeah, that's another great thing about Botchef. He's going to work you through the recipe step by step, so you never lose place or skip a step.
Yes, and you can track the progress on your device, or you can just ask Botchef what the next step is. Try it out.
Should I try it?
Yeah.
Botchef, what do I do next?
Next you are going to cut spring onions, 1 carrot, and 1 bell pepper.
Okay,
Look, good boy.
spring onions, a carrot, and what a pepper. I heard you have a great recipe for us.
Yes.
For me and maybe also for the audience.
Let me introduce a nice drink to accompany our tofu sesame salad. It is called mango lassi. It's rich with vitamins and therefore it's really healthy, but the ingredients are very, very simple. All that you need is a ripe mango. We'll need some plain yogurt, a little bit of water, and we're gonna add some lemon peel later. But what I'm going to do now is inside this mango there's a big, big seed, and I'm gonna cut both sides of the mango right next to the seed. Let me do it real quick. And when I've done this, I will simply scoop out the fruit flesh with a spoon. This will take me a second. And then, let me prepare my blender.
Yeah, you need a ripe mango.
Yes, it
then
needs to be very
it's
ripe
easier.
because it's soft then. This one is quite good. And if I have smaller pieces, I'm just gonna cut them off because we don't want the skin of the lemon inside of our mango lassi. But I'll add the fruit flesh to the blender, and we're going to add, wait a second, the yogurt.
And here you can
and
see
some water.
Yeah, and here you can see what chef is stirring in the pan.
And now we're gonna blend it. It's gonna be loud.
Yeah, with full power.
I think I'm going to add some more.
More water.
No, more
And mango lassi, do everyone know from which country is mango lassi? India.
Yeah, I heard
right.
it. It's India, right? Do you know what the next step is?
No, I don't know the next step, but I have the bot chef. I can ask him, bot chef, what next?
I'll add the dressing. I'm having trouble locating the dressing. Can you help me find it?
Yes, of course.
where's the
dressing, we need a dressing. Bot chef can scan the environment on the table, on the counter, for items or ingredients that he needs for the recipe. And he also can ask me if he needs my help. Here is the dressing. As soon as I put the ingredients, in this case the dressing, in the view of the sensors of bot chef, then he can continue with the process.
There it is.
Yes. So.
And is it possible? Oh, look, he's shaking it. Professional.
Yeah, now he's shaking.
But can we change the recipe if we wanted to?
I don't know. Maybe we can ask Samsung that we can change the recipe. Or we can ask bot chef. Bot chef, could you please add some sriracha?
Okay, I'll add sriracha as well as the sesame seeds.
Okay, now we will adding sriracha and sesame seeds.
I don't know if you can see it, but he's opening the cabinets.
Oh yeah.
He's stealing my sweets.
Yeah. Not everyone has all the ingredients here on the counter. This is why the under cabinet mounting is so smart. Now bot chef can reach all the ingredients in the cabinets. I think that's very cool. How far is your mango, Lassie?
It's almost finished.
Okay.
All we still need to add is our lemon peel. I have an unwaxed lemon because we want the peel. What I'm going to do now is I'll peel off very thin layers of the lemon peel.
Okay.
I'll add it to the blender.
And it's very important that the lemon is an unwaxed lemon.
Yes.
Yeah?
And I'm gonna mix it again. Sorry.
Yeah, do it.
I think it's good now. Let's try it. It's perfect.
Perfect?
I'll just put it in the jar over here for later.
Yeah.
The tofu should be done. Would you mind adding it to the salad?
Yes, of course. That's easy as that. And that's all made possible by an ecosystem of skills that allows the robot to complete high-level tasks with less or with little user input.
And those of us people like us,
Yeah.
we love cooking.
We love
because
cooking.
I think there's something so satisfying about eating a delicious meal that you've made all by yourself, right? But let's be honest, meal prep can be a pain in the ass.
Yes.
No, it takes up a lot of valuable time. And we could all use some extra help, right?
Yes, of course.
So for people that are not like us, that don't usually cook, for them it might feel complicated or maybe even intimidating to try out new or complicated recipes. And Bot Chef was made for all of us because it's very easy to use for really anyone, and it frees time that you can rather spend with your friends and family eating delicious meals. That's a good thing.
That's a good thing. Speaking of me, look, it looks so delicious. It looks so healthy. That's good for me. I would say let's eat the salad. Don't go anywhere. You have to try the salad of the robot. I would say thank you, Bot Chef.
Bon appétit.
He's so nice.
Merci.
We would like to thank you for watching our show here at the IFA. We hope you enjoy your time here in Berlin. Make sure you try out some of the delicious salad that Jens is bringing over there. I'll give you some mango lassi. Thank you.
We say
It's a
thank
wrap.
you. Thank you, Berlin. Vielen Dank, Berlin. Danke, danke. Das war die Kochshow mit den Bot-Chefs hier bei Samsung. Wobei, das war sie nicht. Wir sind noch länger. Ja, die ist noch. Wir sind noch länger hier.
Genau, wenn ihr Bock habt, euch das auch mal in live anzuschauen, sind wir hier auf der IFA 2019 noch bis zum 11. September im City Cube bei Samsung in der Future Kitchen.
Im City Cube. Und wir kochen, ich glaube, jede Stunde kochen wir.
Ja.
Ja, wir freuen uns, wenn ihr vorbeikommt. Lasst ein Like da hier auf dem YouTube-Kanal. Wir würden uns sehr, sehr freuen. Bis dann. Ciao.